你看看啊，马上他就要在我面前打起来了。最近的这个上火比较严重，天天在处理这些个事情，但怎么办呢？这份工作啊，它就这个性质，就是干嘛。What's problem about your food?
All of them used to go and pick food. You go and pick your food.
Now someone pick double food.
No. Then this one pick our own food, and she said she don't like it. She want to
exchange it. Then I exchange it.
Who? You are. You and who?
No, only me.
Only
I carry my food and I say that I don't like it. Then I exchange the food. Then I started complaining and I said that you guys don't used to select food. Now when you come back there, when they say they will come tell you say that then they select food. I thought so then they select food.
She said we carry the food more drop from outside. So anything that her sister used to do, don't because she used to drop it outside and she will come and say food lost. If someone go and carry, she will remove. Their sister own, we Sarah own, and on. They leave the other, and she will leave our own for outside, and at the same room we did.
其实这个事情很简单，他们不是领取很多的这个午餐嘛，堆在那里啊，领来领去的呢，这个饭呢就掉地上了，然后呢想去换一下，其他人呢就不同意。What do you want?
What do we want? If she complain again, she will continue carrying food
because she said that she said that we used to carry the one that the one they have select. We select. So that she can be carrying the food, so that she will be carrying the food, so that she will be eating.
Then leave the bad one
for us. We will not talk and we will not complain anything.
解决方案呢，就是让他们自己内部解决就好了。It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. What?
They will continue carrying food.
Every day they will be the one to go and take food from kitchen.
For kitchen.
That one not there.
Only this girl can go collect food.
Two of them.
Master, every day before they come, we already go carry. You tell that if it's only one day, 50, we can go and carry the food.
What the fuck, brother? Who is the boss? I never say finish. Where I go? So tell me who collect food for all the girl every day? Who collect food for?
She she's complaining that we have I ever complained? Is it not that they bring food? They keep them on top of my locker like this. And you gonna carry her own and her second. The other one go on top of leather, two there for leather. Then I carry and then drop that one for ground. First she carry her on silent. Then drop that one for ground. Then I say I don't like that one. I can't go change my own for ground. They don't tie them or the food there for ground. Let me say them tie them. I can't do it.
Shut up.
If there's no carry, I will carry the food.
I say shut up.
Stay inside.
Food is the same food, you know.
Yeah, that is what she's the one that started. Then she changed the food, and the two is I said, why did you change the food? That is what she started talking. And after she said, I said,
keep quiet.
I started talking.
Keep quiet. Now you say, how do you solve question?
No, if you say that because of she changed food.
And she said,
so now when. No, let them keep that. If they are giving you food, you don't need of changing food.
好了，朋友们，那今天就这样了啊！祝大家早安、午安、晚安。